free crypto? Airdrops explained. Ever find money on the ground? It's exciting, right? That unexpected thrill of discovering something valuable out of nowhere is a feeling like no other. Crypto airdrops are like that. But instead of finding $1, you might find digital tokens. These tokens can appear in your digital wallet, seemingly out of thin air. These tokens can be worth something now, or maybe a lot more later. Imagine checking your wallet one day and realizing that those free tokens have skyrocketed in value. Think of it like getting a stock tip from a Wall Street insider. It's exclusive, it's exciting, and it feels like you're part of a secret club. You get in early before everyone else. This early access can sometimes lead to significant financial gains if the project takes off. That's the magic of airdrops. They bring a sense of wonder and possibility, making the world of crypto even more intriguing. So, what exactly are airdrops? Let's break it down. Imagine a company giving away free samples of a new drink. They want you to try it, like it, and tell your friends. Airdrops work in a similar way. Crypto projects distribute free tokens to create buzz and build a community around their project. These free tokens can generate excitement and engagement, encouraging people to learn more about the project and get involved. Airdrops are usually announced on social media, crypto forums, and specialized websites. These platforms help spread the word quickly and efficiently. Keep your eyes peeled for these announcements. You never know when you might strike gold. Staying informed and being quick to act can make all the difference. But remember, just like with anything free, there are right ways and wrong ways to get involved. It's important to do your research and ensure you're participating in legitimate airdrops. We'll dive into all that good stuff in the next sections. Stay tuned as we explore the best strategies for engaging with airdrops and maximizing your potential gains. Why do companies give away free stuff? It's simple marketing. Crypto projects use airdrops to get attention. They want people talking about their project. The more people who know about it, the more valuable it can become. Airdrops are also a way to reward early supporters. Think of it like being a founding member of a cool new club. You get special perks for being there from the beginning. These perks can include things like voting rights on the project's future or access to exclusive features. But airdrops aren't just about marketing and rewarding early birds. They also help to distribute tokens more widely. This is important because it helps to create a more decentralized and democratic crypto ecosystem. It's like sharing the wealth instead of having it all concentrated in a few hands. So, whether you're looking to make a quick buck, support a promising project, or simply learn more about the world of crypto, airdrops are a great place to start. Airdrops offer several benefits for crypto enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, airdrops can be a valuable addition to your crypto journey. For starters, they're a great way to get free crypto. Imagine receiving tokens without having to spend a dime. It's like finding money on the street, but in the digital world. Who doesn't love free stuff? The excitement of getting something for nothing is universal, and in the crypto world, it can be even more thrilling. Even if the tokens you receive are worth only a few dollars initially, they could appreciate significantly in value over time. Many early adopters have seen their airdrop tokens grow exponentially, turning small amounts into substantial gains. Airdrops also allow you to diversify your crypto portfolio without spending any of your own money. Diversification is key in any investment strategy, and airdrops provide a unique way to achieve this without financial risk. It's like getting a taste of different flavors of ice cream without having to buy a whole pint of each. You get to sample various projects and see which ones you like best. This can be a great way to learn about new projects and potentially discover your next big crypto investment. By participating in airdrops, you stay informed about the latest developments and innovations in the crypto space. Furthermore, participating in airdrops can help you gain valuable experience in the crypto world. You'll learn how to set up and use a crypto wallet, interact with decentralized applications, and navigate the exciting world of blockchain technology. These skills are essential for anyone looking to succeed in the crypto market. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make informed decisions and capitalize on opportunities. However, it's crucial to remember that not all airdrops are created equal. Some are legitimate opportunities to earn free crypto, while others are scams designed to steal your money. The crypto world, like any other, has its share of bad actors. That's why it's essential to do your research and only participate in airdrops from reputable projects. Look for projects with a strong team, clear goals, and a transparent roadmap. Check community reviews and feedback to gauge the project's credibility. By staying vigilant and informed, you can enjoy the benefits of airdrops while minimizing risks. So keep an eye out for promising airdrops, do your homework, and boost your crypto game with confidence. Just like in the real world, the crypto space has its share of bad actors. These individuals are constantly on the lookout for unsuspecting victims to exploit. Some scammers create fake airdrops to trick people into giving up their personal information or sending them cryptocurrency. They often use sophisticated techniques to make their scams look legitimate. But don't worry, with a little bit of knowledge and vigilance, you can easily spot and avoid these scams. It's all about being aware and taking the right precautions. First and foremost, never ever share your private keys with anyone. Your private keys are the gateway to your crypto assets. Think of your private keys as the PIN to your bank account. Just as you wouldn't share your bank PIN with anyone, you should never share your private keys. If someone gets access to them, they can drain your funds in an instant, leaving you with nothing. Legitimate airdrops will never ask for your private keys. They have secure methods to distribute tokens without compromising your security. Secondly, be wary of airdrops that require you to send cryptocurrency to a specific address. This is a common tactic used by scammers. This is a huge red flag. Always be cautious and question the legitimacy of such requests. Legitimate airdrops will never ask you to send them money. They are designed to distribute tokens freely to promote their project. If an airdrop seems too good to be true, it probably is. Scammers often lure victims with promises of high returns or free tokens. Finally, always do your research before participating in any airdrop. Knowledge is your best defense against scams. Check out the project's website, read their white paper, and understand their goals and objectives. The white paper will give you insights into the project's vision, technology, and team. It's a crucial document that can help you gauge the project's legitimacy. Look for reviews and discussions on reputable crypto forums. The crypto community is very active and can provide valuable insights and warnings. If something seems fishy, trust your gut and steer clear. Your intuition can be a powerful tool in avoiding scams. By following these simple tips, you can protect yourself from scams and enjoy the exciting world of crypto airdrops safely and responsibly. Remember, staying informed and cautious is the key to navigating the crypto space successfully